we have to simplify. We have similar terms. I want to explain you why I say that they are similar terms. They are similar terms because they have the same literal expression, a squared b cubed, a squared b cubed, a squared b cubed. They have the same literal part. And also remember, when you don't have a number here, you have 1. So in this case, we have to operate, and we are going to say that this is equal to -7 over the number 8 minus 1.5 plus 1 over 4 a squared b cubed. So we are applying here factorization. We are factorizing a squared b cubed. When we factorize this, all the coefficients, in this case -7 over 8 is going here, -1.5 is going here, and plus 1 over 4 is going here. Okay, that's very easy. Now we have three fractions. When we have 3 fractions, we're gonna do this line to see what is the new denominator. The new denominator is the number 8. Okay, because 8, you can divide 8 in each case. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times -7 is -7. Minus 8 over 2 is 4 times 1, 4, plus 8 over 4 is 2 times 1, 2. We close the parentheses, a squared b cubed. Now we have -7 and -4. -7 and -4 is -11. -11. -11 plus 2. -11 plus 2. I'm going to write down here. -11 plus the number 2 is equal to the number -9. So the answer should be equal here at -9 over 8 a squared b cubed. That's the final answer. Okay, now we are going to work the next situation. We have here the expression -5 x with the exponent a plus 1 minus 3 x with exponent x a plus 1 minus x a plus 1. You have, in each case, you have 3 terms. This, it has x with exponent a plus 1, x with exponent a plus 1, x with exponent a plus 1. You have the number 1 here. So the first term is going to be -5, the first coefficient. The second is -3, and the last is -1. X with exponent a plus 1. Okay, now so we have to operate -5, -3, -5, -3 is -8. -8, -1 is -9. So here is going to be -9, x with exponent a plus 1. Remember, the last solution also has to have the same common variable and literal, in this case, literal exponents. Remember, negative 5 is going here, negative 3 here, and negative 1 in the front. When you use parentheses, you remember you have to use the parentheses and you just write just once the common term or the common letter and exponent, okay? Remember, when you have three negatives, you can work in different ways. You can add 2 first, and after add with the last. Negative 8 minus 1 is equal to negative 9. Or you can work straight, because when you have all negatives like this, you have to add. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9, but your answer should be negative, because all of the numbers are negative. For that reason, your answer here is negative 9x with exponent a plus 1. Okay?